Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, detailed beauty insights. If you're looking for that perfect touch of sparkle, you've probably wondered how to wear glitter without feeling like you're heading to a costume party. Today, we're going to take a close look at the Wet n Wild Glitter Brow and Lash Mascara in Purple Spiral, a product that promises to elevate your lashes and brows with a pop of dazzling color. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. The Wet n Wild Glitter Brow and Lash Mascara in Purple Spiral is all about adding a bold touch of glitter to your lashes and brows. The formula is lightweight with a gel-like texture that glides on smoothly and dries quickly, ensuring you won't have to wait around for your lashes to feel crisp or uncomfortable. This product is designed to be safe for use near the eyes, so it's great for anyone looking to add a fun, sparkly element to their beauty routine without worrying about irritation. One of the things I loved about this mascara is how versatile it is. You can wear it on its own for a subtle shimmer, or you can layer it over your favorite mascara for an intense, glittery effect. The applicator is designed to deposit the perfect amount of glitter evenly from root to tip, which helps achieve that flawless finish. It's perfect for creating unique, bold looks for a night out, or just to add a little sparkle to your everyday makeup. In terms of ease of use, I found that the mascara was pretty straightforward to apply. The formula is smooth, and it doesn't clump up, which is often a problem with glitter mascaras. One coat gives a nice, subtle shimmer, but you can easily build it up if you want a more intense sparkle. It dries quickly, so there's no waiting around, which is a definite plus for those of us who don't have time for lengthy makeup routines. When it comes to performance, the Wet n Wild Glitter Brow and Lash Mascara held up pretty well throughout the day. I wore it for several hours, and it stayed put without flaking or smudging. I did notice a little bit of glitter transfer onto my cheeks after a long day, but nothing that couldn't be easily touched up. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, this mascara is an absolute steal. You're getting a high-quality, cruelty-free and vegan product that can create a variety of looks. If you're someone who loves to experiment with color and texture, this mascara provides endless creative possibilities. However, if you're not into glitter, this may not be the product for you. If you're someone who loves the sparkle and shine of a glitter mascara, but this particular shade isn't quite your vibe, there are alternatives out there. Some brands offer similar products in a wider variety of colors and finishes, like Too Faced's Better Than Sex Glitter Mascara for a more dramatic effect, or L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Glitter Mascara if you want a more subdued shimmer. Overall, the Wet n Wild Glitter Brow and Lash Mascara in Purple Spiral is a fun, easy-to-use product that delivers on its promise of adding a bit of sparkle to your eyes. It's ideal for those who want to experiment with fun, glittery looks without spending a fortune. The formula is comfortable, buildable, and safe for eye use, making it a great option for a little extra pizzazz in your makeup routine. So, what do you think? Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.